Welcome again. We are solving the paper of Eklavya of the Year. MCQ number 11. If product of zeros of this polynomial is 4, then a is equal to dash. You are given a quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to ax square minus 6x minus 6. First of all, compare the polynomial with this general form ax square plus bx plus c. So, a is equal to a, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to minus 6. Suppose zeros are alpha and beta. You are given if the product of zeros of this is 4. So, you are given alpha into beta is equal to 4. Product is given. And now, we have a formula alpha into beta is equal to c upon a is equal to 4. Therefore, c is equal to minus 6 upon a means a is equal to 4. And therefore, a is equal to minus 6 by 4. So, it will be minus 3 by 2. Answer is minus 3 by 2. So, answer is option C. Clear? Number 12. Minus 3 and minus 5 are zeros of quadratic polynomial this. So, polynomial is p of x is equal to x square plus a minus 7 into x plus b. First of all, compare the polynomial with this general form ax square plus bx plus c. So, we will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to a minus 7 and c is equal to b. Now, zeros of this polynomial are alpha is equal to minus 3 and beta is equal to 5. Zeros are given and you have to find the value of a and b. So, first of all, we will use this formula alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. So, alpha is minus 3, beta is 5 is equal to c matlab b. Do you understand? C is equal to b and a is equal to 1. So, b will be minus 15. Now, we will use this formula alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. So, alpha is minus 3, beta is 5 is equal to minus b is equal to a minus 7 upon a means 1. We will simplify, this is 2 is equal to minus a plus 7 and therefore a is equal to 7 minus 2, it will be 5. So, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 15. A is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 15. Option B is the answer. Next, 13. The number of polynomials where zeros are minus 2 and 5 is dash. Now, this is the common sense question. If there are two zeros, then not only two zeros, it may be 2 zeros, 3 zeros, 4 zeros, then number of polynomials where minus 2 and 5 are the zeros. So, such polynomials are more than 3. We will get such type of polynomials more than 3. Right? There are no calculation, only answer. Option D is the answer. Clear? 14. The numbers of polynomials, not there is number, it may be number of zeros. The numbers of zeros. Question should be like this. Number of zeros of polynomial p of x is equal to x cube minus x are dash. Now friends, if you want to find zeros of polynomial, then you have to start with this equation, p of x is equal to 0. Now, p of x is equal to x cube minus x is equal to 0. X is common, so x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x into x minus 1, x plus 1 is equal to 0. So, it will be x is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 1. So, there are 3 zeros of this polynomial. So, answer will be 3. Option D is the answer. Right? Number 15. There are two linear equations. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. This is equation number 1. Then 3x plus 2y is equal to 3, number 2. And you are asked x minus y is equal to dash. Again, this is a tricky question. If you find x and y and then you find x minus y, then the question will be long. Trick is, you have to take difference of these two equations. 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. Subtract second equation from one equation. So, it will be 2x minus 3x, so minus x. 3y minus 2y, so plus y is equal to 7 minus 3, it will be 4. Now, take minus 1 common. So, it will be x minus y is equal to minus 4. Direct answer, x minus y is equal to minus 4. So, answer will be option B. Clear? If you add these two equations, then it will be 5x plus 5y is equal to 10. Take 5 as a common, so it will be x plus y is equal to 2. If you are asked x plus y, then you have to add these two equations. So, you will get x plus y is equal to 2. Clear? Number 16. State the condition for the solution of these two equations being infinite. So, this is the theory. If there are two equations and solution being infinite, if solution being infinite, then condition is there are two equations like this, then a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. If solutions are infinite, then condition is ratio of multiple of x, a1 upon a2, is equal to ratio of multiple of y, B1 upon B2 is equal to ratio of constant terms C1 upon C2. All these three ratios will be same. So this is the condition. So answer will be option D. Clear? Number 17. If the pair of equation, these two equations are given, have a unique solution. Again theory. There are two equations, ax plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is first equation. Second equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. So this is the second equation. And if there is a unique solution, then the condition is a1 upon a2 does not equal to b1 upon b2. This is the condition for unique solution. So a1 means a upon a2 means 2 does not equal to b1 means 2 upon b2 means 3. So a does not equal to 4 by 3. So a does not equal to 4 by 3. Option B is the answer. Clear? 18. Which of the following is true for the pair of linear equation in two variable ax plus by plus c is equal to 0? Linear equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. If this is the linear equation, then a and b does not will not be 0 at a time. You must know, if you write a square plus b square is equal to 0, then it means a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0. If a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0, then this equation is not a linear equation. If you want to say this is a linear equation, then a and b should not be 0 simultaneously. Right? So condition will be a square plus b square does not equal to 0. This is the condition. So answer will be option C. Again, this is a theory point. You must know, if you want to say this is a linear equation, then there must be a condition. A square plus b square does not equal to 0. Clear? Number 19. There are two equations, cx minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Then second equation is 6x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. And you are given have an infinite solution. Infinite solution, it means a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. So a1 means c upon a2 means 6 is equal to b1 means minus 1, b2 means minus 2 is equal to c1 means minus 2, c2 means minus 4. Right? If you take these two ratios, then this will be c by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. So c is equal to 1 by 2 into 6. So answer will be 3. So C is 3. Option A is the answer. Got it? Now, MCQ number 20. You are given a equation x square minus 6x is equal to 1. This is a tricky question. You are asked x minus 1 upon x is equal to dash. So, this equation, divide this equation by x. Divide this equation by x. If you divide this equation by x, then x square upon x minus 6x upon x is equal to 1 upon x. So, it will be x minus 6 is equal to 1 upon x. Therefore, x minus 1 upon x is equal to 6. So, x minus 1 upon x is equal to 6. So, answer will be option D. Clear?